And it's a 1978 Cadillac. Take a look at this little Seville coming up. This vehicle has 57,000 actual miles. 57,000 actual miles to the man. 45-year-old car with 57,000 miles. Less than 1,500 miles a year on the vehicle.
All right, little Seville.
That's seller.
All right.
That's the next car sold, I believe.
Hey, take it to get $8 grand. $7 grand. I got $3,000. Yeah, I'm gonna top of it. 5, 30, top of it, 5, top of it, 4. How about it, $4 grand? 35, I'm down to the 4, down, 5, top of it, 40, top of it, 45. 2 and a half, 5, top of it, 4,500. And at the top of it, 7 and a half, 7 and a half, 7 and a half, 47.50. And at the top of it, here's 7 and a half, 47 and a half, 5 grand, penny to 5, Jeff, you're at the 5, down 2 and a half. And now 5, top of it, 5, money's up front at 250, 55, top of it, 5, you're out, T-bone, 55 of the turn. And then 2 and a half, penny to 5, got 5, now 7 and a half, turn, 57 and a half, 6 grand. And then it's 7 and a half, 6,000, the couple's out at 6 grand. And then it's 60, got it, now 2 and a half, turn, 62.50, now 5, right back at you, 65 of the bucks. And then it's 2 and a half, penny down, pound, 65, got it, 7 and a half. Got it, 7,000, right back at you, sir. 67 and a half.
Yeah.
7 grand.
Hey. The reserves off.
Reserves off. We're selling. 60, get 7? 68, 69. How about that? 89. They cut you out for 50. I got 68. Man, but it is 89, 99. Got it, 7 grand. But it's a $100 licks to we're done. 6,900, 7 grand. The couple is out. I don't want to miss you. Little second honeymoon kind of a car. Got it. Now, but about 70 points. We got 7, sir. You want back in? Got it. That's the spirit. 200. And then upon 2, 200, give me 200, 70 pounds, 72. And pity the pong, give me 2. Are you done, sir? 72. Got new money. 73. How about another 3. Thank you. 74. 75. Now 6. 76. 77. Got it. How about another 8? Got it. 79. Got it. 8 grand. And we're selling all the way. 8 grand, sir. And got it up on 8,100. Got it. New money. 8,200. And up on 2, down 300, now 3, 82, sir. Down 300. The couple's out again at 83. We got 8,200. We are selling. The next bid is 83. Going once. 8,300. Got it. You got 82 right here. 83. Thank you. 84. How about a 4, down 5. How about a 5, 85, 85. And then got it, 8,600. And then 6. And then 6, 7. 87, 87. How about another once? 87, how about twice? Got it, how about another 8, 88. And 79, how about 88, 800, 89, how about another 8,900. Are you sure? 88, 89. How about another 8, 9, 89 once? 89 twice. Got it. That's the spirit. 9 grand. 9 grand. $9,000. Got it. 9,100. You better believe it. Going once. 9,100 twice. Third and final call. 91. Got it. How about another 2? 9,200, sir. 90. Got it. How about another 3? 92, 93, 92. Are you sure? How about another 3 once? Twice? Third and final call. Sold 9,200. Sold. She's gone. Sold. 92.
$100 at a time. You'll get.